Simon, nailang kay Marlo, and Da gets the basketball para sa Santa Lucia. They're on top by just 2. Under 4 minutes to play in the third quarter. Coronel kick out. Williams on the move. And it's an offensive foul against Santa Lucia.
And I think that would be on Christian Coronel. Gusto niyang bigyan ng daan. Ito si Kelly Williams. Si Christian Coronel, parang umiinit na ang ulo dahil tuwing pumapasok siya, may play para sa kanya ang pure points eh. Pinapoposit sa kanya sa ilalim.
Oh, Aduhol. Ah, he missed the reverse layup. He missed it.
Pero may foul on Christian Coronel.
And now it's Coach Boyd Fernandez's turn to go bananas in front of the Santa Lucia bench.
Samantala si Romel Aduhol being hot by his past. Ang kanyang hindi gaganda ang free throw shooting. Gumaling na ito sa free throw eh. Pero not tonight.
Well, take that, Mr. Di Malibon.
Narinig.
That will cut down Santa Lucia's lead to one precarious point. And so with 3 and 15 to go here in the third quarter, time out muna tayo with Rivers on top by 1. Back inside the big dome at halos 3 minuto na lamang ang natitira dito sa third quarter. Here's Williams, wild shot, and a whistle is blown by referee Joey Kalungkagi.
But somehow I'm feeling nanggigigil na ito si Kelly Williams. Now starting to look for his points. At ang mga taga-Pure Bulls naman, lalong nagka-clamp against Kelly Williams para talagang i-frustrate ang kanyang mga puntos dito.
Of course, Coach Norman Black leading our battery of analysts. That's the head coach of our coverage team, Michena Olaso.
Alam ko na papabuti dito sa atin.
Hindi na daw.
Pa naman ako.
Sawa na daw yung mga tao sa atin dalawa. Here's Roger Yap, sends it over to Aduhol. Mamaya, no, at the start of the fourth quarter, babalikan natin si Coach Norman Black for his thoughts and analysis on this game and as well as the series. Meantime, tinawagan ng foul si Joseph Yo, his second personal. Kanina pa na sa penalty, ang dalawang kupunan.
Kaya nang binabanggit natin, ang daming nagpapalit-palit sa pagbantay dito kay big game James Yap. Ngayon nakita natin sa free throw line. Earlier it was Denok Miranda, now it's Joseph Yo who's trying to contain the hand. Si King James Yap, you see the streamer, meron ng 15 puntos. Itong si James Yap, of course, way below his average in the finals. Pero ang magandang balita kay Coach Ryan, ang daming supportang nakukuha mula sa ibang players like Kirby Raimundo, Roger Yap, at itong si PJ Simon ni James Yap. We're talking also about Noy Castillo. Sabi natin, sigurado tayong ipapasok. Eto, pinasok na nga ni Coach Ryan.
Kelly Williams, meron na po 12 rebounds sa larong ito. Marlo wants the basketball against Aduhol. Tied ball game at 74. Marlo, kili-kili shot. Yes, sir!
Never fail! Yan ang kanyang patented shot.
The armpit special.
Pinapatamis pa yan eh.
Here's Aduhol. Gusto bumawi. Huli! Simon got the loose ball. Simon, wild shot. Oh, he goes in! What a wild shot by Peter Jones Simon.
At gising na gising ang mga fans ng Pure Foods Giants. Talaga naman, pangkampyonato ang mga tirang nakikita natin. Sabi niya, may sagot din ako sa mga tirang ni Joseph Yo.
Huling-huli ni Marlo, but Peter Jones Simon, pistol feet with an acrobatic shot. Off balance, and he still made it, and he will complete the three-point play.
Isa sa mga helping hand, Kid Lightning, Boy Thunder. Yan ang mga sakuri ng parang paputok yun pareho.
Kid Thunder is Marlo. Marlo, another kili-kili shot!
Natadaluhan na! Yung isa pwede ba? Pero sabi ni Coach Ryan, yung pangalawa, hindi na maganda ang depensa natin.
Peter Jones Simon goes behind the back. Here's Mike Castillo in the game for the first time. Here's Simon. Watch out for that pull-up. He fires and almost scores, and he will take 3 free throws.
Again, Dennis Da on the receiving end. 5 na ang personal fouls ni Dennis Da. The last two, both in trying to guard PJ Simon, will definitely have tonight. Tatlong free throws, mga kaibigan, ang ibibigay kay Peter Jun Simon. In this ball game has 14 points. Also exploded big in the first half of play with his fast break attack. Ngayon, mga acrobatic shots na ang pinapakawalan nito si PJ Simon.
Ayan po ang head ng ABC Sports, Mr. Bobby Barrero. Watching the proceedings intently. Second free throw for Peter Jun Simon. 3-3 siya.
Oo. Pinailalim.
Oo, dalawang magkasunod na kilikili siya. Sabi tuloy ni Coach Ryan, I smell something fishy.
Amoy isda.
So 3 out of 3 for Peter Jun Simon. And right now, it's a 2-point lead para sa Pure Foods, 80-78. Santa Lucia will go to Marlo. It's Marlo against Romel. There's another kilikili shot, and that time it doesn't work, but there's a foul.
Oo, sumabit na. At again, dalawang veterano nagtuturo ng leksyon dito. Sinasabi ni Marlo dito, at least ako, number 1 draft pick ako. Ito, again, magkabilang side, nasa kanan na ngayon, pinailaliman pa rin. We're going to the pitch. Depensa ng Pure Foods.
As Marlo misses his first free throw, we'll turn you over to Miss Peaches Abire.
Kaya actually, ang daming taong dito sa Coliseum na naglingunan ng pumasok sa Miss Pops Fernandez, who's actually part of the Santa Lucia family. Kaya syempre, nandito siya to cheer for her team. Sabi niya, it's been a long time since she last watched a PBA game, and now she remembers why she used to love to watch. Kasi daw, it's still as exciting as it used to be. And the player that caught his attention today, Joseph Yo, who's been doing such a good job now, guys.
Maraming salamat, Peaches. As we mentioned, it's a star-studded game dito sa Big Dome. Aduhol with the basketball. 1 minute and 10 to go in a frenetic third quarter. Noy Castillo has the ball. 5 to shoot. Here's Simon. 4-3. Yes, sir!
Nakapasundong pa sa ere, si Jun Simon. Kanina, 3 free throws. Ngayon, lehitimong 3-pointer.
In other words, 6 straight points mula kay Peter Jun Simon. We're under a minute to go. 5-point lead para sa Pure Foods. They go to Marlo Aquino. Aquino on the move. Aquino with a layup, and it's good. And the Pure Foods bench claiming that it's a traveling violation, but action continues here in the third quarter.
Kung nawala si Dennis Espino in this ballgame, Marlo Aquino is taking charge. Eh, yung mga veterano, yung heart, yung puso ng Santa Lucia, buhay pa rito.
Pure Foods bench on its feet with 30 seconds to go in the third quarter. Noy Castillo without the action in the first half. Pinasa kay Simon, who's been the man of the moment here para sa Pure Foods. Simon on the move. And time. Basket will not count. It's an offensive foul according to referee Joey Galungkagi.
Kelly Williams, hindi umalis sa kanyang kinatatayuan doon. Talagang getting the full brunt of the weight of PJ Simon. Nakatayo. Binigyan pa ng pigi ni PJ Simon. So that's a good call by the referee.
10 seconds to go before the end of the third quarter. Ball in Santa Lucia. They can tie the game with a 3-pointer. Here's Marlo. Another kilikili shot. But that time he's called for traveling.
I think that's the correct call. One extra step for Marlo Aquino. Nakalusot na eh.
And armpit abuse. 3 seconds to go. Here's Simon. 1 second to go. 4-3. Yes, sir!
PJ Simon in the house!
Well, the officials want to make sure. They won't check the tape. But Peter Jun Simon with an explosion here to end the third quarter. It counts.
It counts.
So dalawang alamin natin dito. If the referees will rule it, count it, and if it's a 3-pointer, no? Kung nakatapak ba itong si Peter Jun Simon.
Pero yung tira, ringless na ringless.
So it's official. And Boy Fernandez is not jumping